At iCandy Realty, we love to steer our buyers and sellers in the right direction, but that isn't just applicable for their real estate transactions, which is why we are going to be spotlighting some of our favorite local hotspots within our community. For our first spotlight, we decided to share a local gem, the White Street Cafe, located in the heart of historic downtown Frankfort at the Trolley Barn. This family-owned restaurant is a favorite of our team at iCandy. We eat there, take our clients there, and tell everyone we know about this unique and charming spot. It's perfect for on the go, while visiting the farmer's market, or after a walk or ride on the bike trails. White Street Cafe is serving up high-quality and delicious food with gluten-free and vegetarian options, all while making its customers feel like part of the family. This is why White Street Cafe is in our spotlight.
Nothing's processed, it's all homemade, and you feel good about yourself when you leave.
There's so many options. I think I've gotten a different thing here every time, and I love it.
My favorite thing to get here is the biscuits and gravy, and your coffee is the best. I love White Street Cafe.
I love White Street Cafe.
What do you love most about what you've created here at White Street Cafe?
Hands down, our customers, they are the best. They are what makes White Street as good as what it is.
Hi guys, my name is Pauline Dejewski and I am owner of the White Street Cafe, and we are super excited to welcome you here today. So this is our chef, Joe. He's been with the cafe now for about 2.5 years. He is the best thing I did since I opened the cafe was to hire this man.
My inspiration comes a lot for White Street from Pauline. You know, she speaks to me about her vision, and then I try to make that vision come true.
So the reason we have so many gluten-free items on our menu is because my sister is gluten-free, and it was really important to me that we were able to have offerings for customers like her who have a hard time finding good gluten-free food elsewhere.
I used to travel for my old job, and part of my job was going to visit our clients. Our clients were located all over the country, and some out of the country. And the first thing I would do anytime I would go to a location is walk the neighborhood, get to know the area. And I love to explore the cafes, downtown, wherever I was at. So White Street really is a culmination of all those different places that I visited over the years. Don't be afraid to take risks. If you're afraid to fail from the beginning, then it's going to be harder to succeed. Our hashtag on the back of our shirts is good food, good friends, good family.
Thank you so much for visiting White Street Cafe. We hope to see you again soon.